Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. So last week the changes were coming really slowly on the gold market. So you can see last 3 sessions market has spent in the tight range. So our production has continued, but in general currently we have mostly the same setup as we have in the previous week. So nothing has changed drastically right now. We do not see any really dangerous signs that could suggest the failure of the bullish setup here. So everything stands in general as it should. So the bullish setup is still valid here. From the technical point of view, what bullish signs we have? Then first of all, as you can see, it's nicely looking bullish divergence with the MACD indicator. On retracement down here, market has reached only minor 3.8 level, just minor retracement here has happened. Also, the downward retracement was held by the monthly pivot support one. It means that this action is the bull trend and it's still valid. Usually when the market breaks the monthly pivot support one, it suggests that previous trend stands under destruction. But right now, everything looks fine. On the way up, market also has moved above the monthly pivot point, so this is also the positive sign on the bullish sentiment. And in the last 3 sessions, take a look. It is calling in the tight range, forming some kind of the flag pattern or something of that sort near the level body area, and right below important 1250, 1255 natural support resistance area. So overall picture looks very nice. And here we could suggest that the bullish context is still valid here. Also, guys, in our regular weekly research today, we have discussed some fundamental sentiment factors that also looks bullish for the medium-term perspective. They are mostly the Fed policy. So we think that Fed will not hurry with the next rate hiking, and they will lead to economy of the United States to grow within some inflationary growth. So the major impact of the tightening policy should happen in 2018. So in the current year, we think that the policy will be moderate and probably Fed will stay with the anticipated consensus expectations. So there's 3 rate hiking in 2017. Another supportive factor is the turmoil in Europe around the elections and restructuring of the European Union. So this will be really hardly predictable processes that are standing on the way there. So the Brexit is the first bell. So right now it will be interesting what will happen in elections in France on April 23rd. This will be very interesting. And overall, some uncertainty around this political process that's standing in Europe also will be supportive of the gold market. So finally, it's also not everything okay with Donald Trump possibilities and power in the Congress. So as you know, the Donald Trump administration has failed to push through the Obamacare canceling bill through the Congress, and this makes investors to ask what really will be an ability to push for the Congress the chance in the tax reform, on some stimulus program, on support to domestic producers and domestic production. So this really a lot of questions appearing, and all of them some kind of risk factors. That's why it's mostly also looks supportive for the gold market. That's why we think that in medium-term perspective, until at least till the summer, this gold market has chance to grow a bit more. So we have a bit more extended targets on the weekly chart, but on the daily, right now it makes sense to focus on the 1280 area, 1280, 1285. So you can see this will be monthly pivot resistance one, and it also stands around the daily overbought. So for the daily analysis, we do not need any far going targets since they are hardly will be reached on the coming week. So that's why let's focus on the possible destination point at 1280, 1285 area. So right now the major question, how this action could happen. So whether the market will break it immediately and continue move higher, or it will show some retracement before this breakout will happen. So currently, guys, it looks like the retracement is more probable because actually, take a look at the hourly chart. Unfortunately, it's really lack of patterns right now on the intraday chart, so gold hasn't formed any interesting patterns by far. It's very difficult to make the suggestions on what really could happen, but based on the price behavior around the trend line, so as you can see, was trend line here supported the price action, but later, even on the negative bill voting in the Congress, gold market retested this trend line and has dropped lower. So it seems that here, chances on reaching our first support areas around 1230 looks significant, and maybe market indeed will show retracement down before upward reversal and upward breakout of 1250 area. That's why currently chances looks like that retracement probably has more chance to happen rather than not to happen. That's what we could say based on the hourly picture, because except the trend lines, guys, we do not have any other clear patterns. So nothing, no clear ABCDs, no reversal patterns, nothing. So that's why here we just could make some conclusions on the way how market behaves around the trend line. So it's downward, it's been broken down. Market wasn't able to return back above it, and turns down again. So that makes us think that probably it could drop further to the next support area around trend line fib level, the 1230 area. If this really will happen, in this case on the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, market has more chances to form the butterfly. So take a look that here could become the left wing of the pattern. If market will show retracement to the 1230, this could become this left wing, right wing. And in this case, next destination point will be approximately 1283 area. Also take a look. The first extension of the butterfly coincides with the 618 minor extension of this large ABC bottom 1618 extension target. And both of them stand in an area of the monthly pivot resistance. So that's will be the next our destination point. So that's been said, based on the current analysis, and seems that in the beginning of the week we still could get the retracement. It should not be too significant, and I think that the 1230 areas will be enough for respect of the current resistance area. So and after that, if everything will be as it should, so market could show the upward reversal and starting upward action to the next destination point around monthly pivot resistance 1 on the daily chart.